Tignan mo sa zero. Parang ito lang trigger sa napasok-pasok. Kahi mo. Ito cream lang ako ikukuha. I-skip ko yan. Hello, good day. Welcome back again.
Hello again.
Hello. Okay, let's continue. All right. So, like what I said, when we say rainforest, it is actually a forest, but rich in diversity. Okay?
Okay.
When we say diversity, the there are lots of plants growing to that forest, and that forest serve as a habitat of some wildlife, like wild plants, wild animals, and so on. Okay, or even some people that was not being civilized. Okay, the form of their living is through hunting, like that. Okay,
Okay.
so in Thailand, do you have a rainforest?
Maybe no.
Uh-huh. Most of the place in Thailand was already civilized, or there are lots of buildings already. Huh? Good day.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, so here in the Philippines, we have a rainforest. Mm-hmm.
How many rainforests
There
are
are
there?
there are lots of rainforests because we still
Uh,
have we still there are still people who lives in the forest, like what I said, that they do hunting, like something like that.
okay.
Okay, they do
Okay.
hunting, and that's the way of their living. That's it. Okay, so
Okay.
rainforest. Out of rainforest. What does this mean? Out of rainforest. Why it includes in the title this phrase, out of rainforest? What does it mean? Out of
Um,
rainforest.
out of rainforest.
Yeah,
Not in a rainforest.
not in a rainforest. Or maybe they slowly forgetting the rich culture of rainforest. That's it. Maybe that's why they out of the rainforest. Let's find out if our what do you call this one, if our assumption to its title is correct.
Okay.
Okay, let's have the pre-reading questions here. Okay, let's answer first this one. Okay, what are lungs? What is their job? So they include an organ here. What are lungs? What
Um,
is their job? Where is our
the
lungs?
lungs are lungs.
Where is our lungs in our body? Here or
Here,
where?
near our stomach.
Near in our stomach, and covered with our ribs, right? Here.
Yeah.
Yes. It is also near in our heart. Okay. So what is the job of our lung? So,
Help
for
us.
for for like this. What is the job of our lungs for our
It helps our. It help out. It helps us breathe.
yes, in breathing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So yes, in breathing. So it facilitates gas exchange or taking in oxygen from inhaled air and releasing carbon dioxide, a waste product, back into the air during exhalation. So if if our liver helps to extract the toxins from the food that we ate, the lungs functions to extract the air or the carbon dioxide inside our body. Okay?
Okay.
In order for us to inhale and exhale, inhale the oxygen, exhale the carbon dioxide. Okay, let's have the number 2. What different environments make up the earth? One example might be desert. Okay, what do you think? What different environments make up the earth? What does it mean? What is an environment that makes the earth an earth like that? One example
Um,
might be desert.
um,
So desert is part of our earth.
yeah.
So can you give another example or different environments that make up the earth?
Um,
Our
um,
our okay. Where our what?
our swimming
Our swimming. Okay, where do we swim? Where
pool.
d- in a in a pool, okay? Can you give a natural pool? Because a pool is a
Beach.
man-made. Beach, very good, yes. Or our ocean. So, whenever you say ocean, desert, mountains, rice field. So the first thing that will pop up to your mind, that, oh, that's earth. Okay? Because
Okay.
because earth was covered by lands and water. So, and also it is a best planet where we can live in. Okay? All right, number 3. In what ways are different environments useful or important to Earth? Mm.
Um,
In what ways are different environments useful or important to Earth? What do you think is the useful thing for Earth to have a bodies of water? What do you think is the importance of having water or surrounded by water?
um, it's good,
It's why it's good.
so we can drink water.
Yes, yes, that's it. That's one. Okay, so we are surrounded by water so that we can drink water, especially the water from rivers or not a salty water. Water from mountains. Like, that's it. That's one. How about the other useful thing of having water? Mm. The thing that we eat, that we can fry, we can eat. What is the food that we can eat
Um,
that we took from oceans or from the market?
we can eat um, chicken.
We can eat
Chicken.
chicken.
Yeah.
Can we find do we can we find chicken in the ocean? Huh? We can, Because we are surrounded with water, we are rich in different
Yeah.
fish. Okay?
Okay.
We are rich in different fish. We are rich in different seafoods. That's it. Okay? So that's
Okay.
the useful thing of having water on earth. Okay? How about
Okay.
what is the useful thing of having a large body of land? A large body of land. What is the useful thing about that? We can
Um, we can eat and we can swim.
what land? We can plant some root crops or vegetables.
Okay.
Okay? And also we can walk, we can travel. That's it. And the most important thing about earth is earth has oxygen. Okay? So without the oxygen, we can't breathe. We will die. Okay? All right.
Um,
Okay, do you understand? Good day?
yeah.
Okay, so that's it. Thank you. Let's have the vocabulary preview. Okay, so like what you did, you're going to choose the the answers from the pool of words. Okay, let's try this one. Number
Okay.
1. Can you reach my cup from where you are?
Um,
What do you think?
hot. Get to.
Touch, get to. Yes, that's correct. Next, the fire destroyed countless trees in the forest.
Um,
Countless.
incapable of being counted.
Okay, incapable of being counted. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, let's try to analyze it again after number 3. There are many different kinds of drugs that help fight disease. What is drugs?
Okay.
There are many different kinds of drugs that help fight disease.
Mm,
Mm.
medicines.
Medicines. Yes, very good. That's correct. Next, every second, thousands of square meters of forest disappear from Earth.
Um, uh,
Okay.
remove all things from.
What?
Um,
The word is disappear.
remove all things.
What?
Remove all things.
Remove all things from. Okay. We will try to review it again. Number 5. Farmers must clear the land before they can farm. The word here is clear.
Okay.
Farmers
Clear in case. Wait. Remove all things from.
remove all things from. Yes, that's correct. It's letter C. Farmers must clear the land before they can farm on it. Okay. Number 6 is pollution from cars and factories is contributing to changes in the environment.
Um,
Pollution.
pollution. Waste. products.
Yes, waste products. Very good. Okay, so it is between 2 and 4. The word is countless. Okay. Your answer is letter D, right? Incapable of being counted. Good day.
Yeah.
Yes, that's correct. Incapable of being counted. So, and for letter E, it's don't exist any longer. The word is disappear. That's correct. All right. So thank you for that. Now, let's come now to read the text with the title Out of Rainforest. Okay. Okay, please start reading this word from this paragraph.
Okay.
Okay.
Have you ever entered a tropical rainforest?
Okay.
It's a special dark place completely different from anywhere else. A
Mm-hmm.
rainforest is a place where the trees grow very tall.
Mm-hmm.
Millions of kinds of animals, insects, and plants live in the rainforest.
Mm-hmm.
It is hot and humid in a
Humid.
forest.
In
It rains a lot in the rainforest.
But
Uh,
sometimes.
sometimes, but sometimes you don't know it's raining. The
Okay.
trees grow so closely together that rain doesn't even reach the ground.
Okay, very good. Okay, so thank you so much. Good day. Since it's already time, good day, we will just continue this reading next meeting, okay?
Okay.
I just want to say good day. Thank you so much for attending my class. I hope you learned something and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.